you're experiencing high ping on your Xbox Series X, it can affect your gaming experience significantly. Here is a quick guide to help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test on another device to see if your download and upload speeds are sufficient for gaming. Ideally, you should have a minimum of 3 Mbps download speed for online gaming. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Power cycle your console by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug it from the power source for a minute, then plug it back and turn it on. This can help reset the network connection. Step 3. Optimize your network settings. Go to the settings on your Xbox Series X, navigate to Network, and select Network Settings. Choose Test Network Speed and Statistics to check your current ping and connection quality. You can also select Advanced Settings to set a static IP or DNS if needed. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce latency and provide a more stable connection compared to wireless. Step 5. Close background applications. Ensure that no other devices on your network are using excessive bandwidth while you're gaming. Close any applications or devices that may be streaming video or downloading large files to free up bandwidth for your Xbox. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping on your Xbox Series X and improve your gaming experience. Happy gaming!